What if I told you that right now, inside your VS Code, there is a one-agent extension that unlocks Kimi K2.6 and Minimax M2.7, two of the smartest coding models on the planet, completely free. No API key, no account, no subscription. And I'm not talking about autocomplete. I'm talking about a full AI agent that thinks, plans, and builds entire projects for you while you watch. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how to run it in VS Code. Give it one prompt and it will build and replicate any website you want. If you write code or make videos using Remotion, you need to see this. Let's go. First, we need VS Code. If you don't know how to install, just go to Google, type VS Code, and click on this link. And in this website, click on Download button, and an exe file will get downloaded. Install it on PC. This is how VS Code will look like after installation. Go to File and click on Open Folder. Create one folder wherever you like, and then select Folder to open it. Now let's install extension. Click Extensions, search for Blackbox, install the one called #on, coding agent. It takes under a minute. Once it's done, open it from the sidebar. You will see two options, Upgrade and Continue Free. Click Continue Free and then click on Next buttons till their basic informative tutorial gets complete. That's it. You are now inside. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and smash that like button. Every like genuinely motivates us to keep creating. Let's start coding with Blackbox. Once you open the agent panel, you'll see the tool configuration section. Here, multiple tools are pre-selected: read file, command execution, create file, edit file, and browser tool. The browser tool is specifically for testing applications, so we'll leave that unchecked for now. These four core tools are what we need for the build. Right below that, you'll find Create Skill. This is useful if you have repetitive workflows. You can save custom instructions here and re-execute them anytime. Next to it is the MCP servers section, where you can integrate external MCP protocols and use them directly through the agent. Now, let's move to the most important part, the AI models. Click on Select AI Model. You'll see two powerful models available for free, Minimax M2.7 and Kimi K2.6. If you have a paid subscription, you can also connect your existing Claude or Codex accounts here and use them directly inside this window. For this build, we're going to select Kimi K2.6. Now, here's a design we're going to build, a menu layout. I've already placed this reference image inside a project folder called Test App. Let's attach this file directly to our prompt. I'll drag and drop it into the chat, and now it's ready as a visual reference for the agent. Here's the prompt we're using. Can you build this menu design for me using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with animations? Create a single-page website and refer to the reference file for the design. With Kimi K2.6 selected, let's send it and see how it performs. As you can see, the agent immediately starts processing. It analyzes the task, confirms the dependencies, and asks for permission to proceed. Once confirmed, it begins writing the code, creating files, setting up the structure, and building the components step by step.
A few moments later.
The task is now complete. Let's open the output. Navigate to the project folder and launch the index.html file in your browser. Here's the menu the website generated. As you can see, it has built a functional animated menu with nice animation, and the website is tilting on both sides. However, looking at the reference image versus the output, the design interpretation is perfectly accurate. It fully captured the exact layout from the image. Let's check the responsive view to see how it processed the request. And that's how you build with Blackbox using Kimi K2.6. You get the idea. Attach your reference, send the prompt, and let the agent handle the code. Thanks for watching.